Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this wet look and what happened afterwards. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. I'm going to be using three products: the Diva Curl Believe In, Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Styling Gel, and the Diva Curl, I don't know, it's an oil by Diva Curl. I just got it. But anyway, I'm going with the Believe In first, and the reason why is because it has a gel consistency, and so I figured it'll be perfect. It'll add shine. It'll make my hair look more wet than what it usually does when it's dry. So I just coated my hair with about a dollop size amount of that, and then I went in with the tea tree gel on top of that, which was really the game changer. This used to be one of my favorite gels, but I don't know, I stepped back from it for whatever reason, but it really is one of my favorite gels, and I think that was definitely the MVP for this look. But I will get into more about the look in a minute. So I'm basically just raking a whole bunch of the gel throughout every strand of my hair. Now on to the most important step, which, I mean, this really wasn't all that difficult. I just brushed back my hair. And, you know, I could have just styled my hair and then, you know, really went in on the gel, but I think that would be too easy. So I tried to challenge myself by maybe slicking the hair back. I think that would just intensify the wet look that I was going for. And so this is basically very repetitive. I just kept on brushing back my hair until the surface of my head was very flat and smooth. Now, this isn't where I had any issues. I know it's kind of weird now, but my curls will spring back up. In fact, I felt as if they sprung up way too much. But the look, honestly, I think I nailed the look. But where I went overboard is I did not stop brushing my hair. You guys see, I just kept on brushing and brushing and brushing. And I don't know how many of you guys have this brush, but the bristles in it, it's kind of similar to a Demon brush. So the more you brush it, the more it's going to clump your hair together and the more it's going to shrink back up. And so that's exactly what happened. You're not going to see it right now. I mean, it looks fine right now. The curls sprung up just enough so that it looked fine, in my opinion. So honestly, I really liked the way it looked while it was still wet, but you can see me, I was very, I don't know, I had mixed feelings. So, but my stupid ass, for whatever reason, I kept on brushing it thinking that will make it look better. Ultimately, I felt like the brush kind of, I'm not gonna say it ruined the look, but it just shrunk up my curls way too much for my liking. And you guys can see I'm just brushing over the same slick back hair that's already been brushed over about 57 million times. But as you can see, this is how it's looking, and I was really anticipating it looking like this when it dried. Honestly, I really liked the way it looked while it was wet. It's just the brush and the shrinkage really ruined it for me. As you can see here, this is how it looks when it dries. And for those of you that are subscribed to my channel, you guys would know my hair damn near never shrinks up this much. And then what was funny is the hair laid very flat to my scalp. So everything was good except the shrinkage. So here's how it looks when it's dry. As you can see, it still looks soaking wet, but I promise you guys, this is while it was dry. I nailed the look, honestly. The shrinkage kicked my ass. So instead, what I did was I just kind of raked out all the clump curls and I just turned it into a successful wash and go. Overall, I think this is kind of like a, you know, whatever video. I just did it just because I wasn't expecting it to look so good initially, but like I said, the shrinkage just ruined the look for me ultimately. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and you guys know that I will see you guys in my next video.